All right, so I got a quote from an electrician to do this job, and it was about close to 6 grand to complete this. So here's what we're looking at. I'm gonna put Rafter uplighting here in each column, all the way across here. That's gonna shoot up the beams and light the rafters essentially. There. So this is what we're working with. We've got landscape lights, which is what he quoted as well. Low voltage landscape lighting. This is what I picked up. APEC. There's the model and everything like that. I got these on sale, I think for, let me think here. An 8-pack was 90 bucks. Yeah. And I had some lighting that I've used with them already to test it out on this tree. I have some uplighting on the deck that shoots up and lights the pine tree. So I'm now going to put this in these rafters, and so we'll see how that goes. So mine is insulated back there. There's insulation tucked up in there. That's what it looks like on the back side. So they made a brace and then put the finishing piece on there. So it's in there snug. You can see right there too where I pulled a little bit. So they made it snug in there, so that's good, but it's gonna be a pain in the ass pulling all of these out one by one, but we'll get her done. Okay, so we got all of these off. Got them numbered 1 through 11. This one we'll have to get a little bit creative with, just because it seems to be bolted up there, and I don't want to yank that one off. So that one we'll get creative with tucking some wires and whatnot. But this will look nice and clean. So yeah, let's drill some holes in these bad babies. All right, so let's check out what we got going on here. Taking these lights off of each other apart. Like I said, I didn't take these lights or drill holes in the back, so they're just kind of tucked up in there. You won't really see it on the back side here because I didn't want to take this whole board off because they're not as easy to take off, but I just ran a channel into there. I think for the most part, knock on wood, the hard part's over. So now we're taking those boards that we earlier drilled holes through, running the hole through, or running the wire through the hole, mounting the light. And you see when it's up above there, you won't really see that hole. You know, it's a bigger hole, but you won't see it that easily with the light and everything. It's gonna look really nice, really clean, really elevated in here when it's all done. And the thing with lighting is you don't want to see the fixture, you want to see the light. And then I got a PVC tube out there that I'm actually going to make shrouds to go over each light. I'm going to cut about a 3-inch angle shroud. The light from shining like down, ambient light, or spilling over or washing out into the living room. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. Let's mount this one up and go on down the line here. So, a little update. Fucked up my thumb on that thing. Trying to pull a nail out, so yeah, that was nice and great. So that's gonna kill my progress on this right now, but yeah, great. And we're back. I think 10 days later, we got this guy under wraps, still healing. Let's get this party finished. We started it, let's finish it. All right, they're in. Moment of truth here. Holy shit, dude, that looks so good. Oh man. Tell me that does not look professional. Oh man, in person this looks so much better. It's hard to even capture this. Okay, we got all our shrouds here. We're gonna get them installed like so there's no more glare. I still throw the same amount of light, there's just no glare. So there's no focus on the fixture, it's the light that's being thrown. Here it is in the daytime to kind of give you an idea of if it sticks out like a sore thumb or anything. I don't think it does. I think it blends pretty well. I purposely put them higher so they wouldn't sit like along the middle or the edge on the bottom. So they would kind of blend in with the transition line up there without being too close to the roof line. So. And from this angle, you can barely see it. They flow pretty well. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Another thing I like about it in the daytime is this side of the condo obviously is the lowest of the slope. And so you have all this openness and then it kind of converges in the living room, which makes it feel cozy. But if you want it to feel more open and airy during the daytime, you can turn those lights on and it kind of just elevates and opens this space as well. So it just feels more airy during the day. Just out of your subconscious mind, it's just light instead of darkness up there. So that's pretty cool too.